Today we are beginning the installation of a new front end on this Suzuki Mehran. In this first step, we will focus only on the headlight installation before moving on to the front bumper. Properly fitted headlights improve night visibility, enhance road safety, and give the headlights for installation by making the required mounting holes using a heat gun. This process requires patience and precision because the plastic housing must be softened without overheating or damaging it. A clean and accurate hole ensures the headlight fits securely and aligns perfectly with the front bumper and body panels. The work begins by carefully measuring the exact location of each mounting hole. The measurements are checked twice to make sure the new holes match the factory mounting points. Correct marking is important because even a small mistake can affect the headlight alignment, repair, or installation work. The old headlights are inspected carefully. The condition of the lenses, mounting brackets, and electrical connectors is checked. Years of sunlight, dust, and weather often leave the plastic lenses faded, yellow, or cracked, reducing the amount of light reaching the road. The wiring connectors for the low beam, high beam. The bumper is then lifted carefully into position. It is aligned with the front fenders, radiator support, and the newly installed headlights. The side edges are guided into place first, making sure the body lines are even on both sides. Proper alignment at this stage is very important because it determines how the bumper will sit after all the fasteners are tightened. Once the bumper is correctly positioned, the upper mounting bolts are installed by hand. The side screws inside the wheel arches are fitted next, followed by the lower bolts underneath the bumper. Each fastener is tightened gradually to ensure even pressure across the bumper without distorting the plastic. After the bumper is fully secured, the gaps between the bumper, headlights, bonnet, and fenders are checked carefully. Minor adjustments are made until all panel gaps are straight and uniform, giving the vehicle a clean factory finish.